2000 until the year I joined my college. The things were not going good past 4 year back when I prepared for J examinations but didn't clear it out even after one attempt. I was so outraged, I was so depressed that I was not knowing what to do. I even thought that was doing engineering is a good idea or should I opt for some other field? But somewhere inside me always wanted to go with mechanical engineering. The machines, the designs, everything just amazed me a lot since childhood. Whenever my dad bought me up a new car or anything related to machines, I was so amazed. Whether it be a new Android cell phone or it be anything that is just mechanical, it made me amazed. So somewhere inside my heart I was knowing that yeah, this is the field, this is the thing what I want to do. Doesn't matter if I get into IITs or if I get into NITs or any college. So it was my good luck, or I don't know, maybe God grace that I got into VIT. So after going to VIT, I really learned a lot that not only the engineering is the thing or the knowledge that we learn in the college. There are thousands and thousands of different skills that we can gain while we are studying in college. So my journey till now was so great that I really wanted to share it with everyone so that if somewhere you're sitting in the home and thinking that getting less marks or not getting a good college or maybe not getting into IITs or NITs is everything you got it and everything's ended now, so it's not like that. When I went to VIT, I explored a lot. I really made good networking, not only with my seniors, my colleagues, but even with the professors. I thought that designing is a really good field in mechanical, so started working in that field. So, um, so I really went into softwares which through which I can get a more insight about how the designing works. So even I got to learn a lot about research papers, how to write them, how to work on them, how to make something of art, how to file a patent, like different sort of things. Not only the bookish knowledge, but a lot of thing which was closed inside but was not open. Yet I tried to open it. So if I would have stopped myself past 4 year backs and thought of doing something else instead of mechanical engineering, I would have not been up here presently talking with you all. So presently I did my more than 3 internships in designing field, working on a patent related to designs, wrote 2 research papers in field of microstructural designs. So it all came up eventually, not in a single day. So I think that God some talent which is hidden in our inner core. We just need to get it out from us. So if that thought, that talent of us comes out, so it doesn't matter where we are studying or where we are pursuing our degree. All it matters that people will really appreciate you. So the dedication, the motivation, what comes will come from inside of yours, not from anyone else. So just make yourself motivated and make yourself dedicated to do what you love the most. Don't listen to everyone, or don't listen to people who say that you can't do this. If you think that yeah, you can do this thing, this passion of yours is meant for you, just go ahead, give it a push, and maybe you will be flying someday in the air, and when you see back you will be so glad that, yeah, I'm so lucky and I'm so happy to pursue this passion. And you will always smile when you're pursuing your passion and when you get succeed in your life.